Blessings. Just want to big up Ship Quicker, the quick shipper. You don't know, the best shipping company in a JA. I want to let you know that we appreciate the work that you do and the flavor that you've brought to the shipping industry. Yeah, like how you have came in and shake up the things. Just keep the bread hot same way, man. So we just stay at the bakery, we appreciate the high level of customer service that you've brought to the market. I myself personally experience how dedicated your team is. I had a package which was delivered, but I wasn't sure if you got it. And by sending two messages early in the morning, the team was at the warehouse checking off and sending me images and ensuring that my package was there and in good order. So I want to give you thanks for that and let you know that I really appreciate the work that you do. So you have a good bakery running. The bread is hot. It still tastes good, and I look forward to staying at this bakery for time to come. Peace.